Demand analysis. Price elasticity of demand. Price elasticity of demand measures the responsiveness of the quantity demanded of a good or service to changes in its price. It quantifies the percentage change in quantity demanded resulting from a 1% change in price. The price elasticity of demand, PED, is calculated using the following formula. PED equals to percentage change in quantity demanded divided by percentage change in price. If the price elasticity of demand is greater than 1, demand is considered elastic. This means that a 1% change in price leads to a greater than 1% change in quantity demanded. In elastic demand, consumers are highly responsive to price changes, and total revenue moves in the opposite direction of price changes. If the price elasticity of demand is less than 1, that is, PED is between 0 and 1, demand is considered inelastic. This indicates that a 1% change in price leads to a less than 1% change in quantity demanded. In inelastic demand, consumers are less responsive to price changes, and total revenue moves in the same direction as price changes. If the price elasticity of demand is equal to 1, demand is considered unitary elastic. This means that a 1% change in price leads to an equal 1% change in quantity demanded. In unitary elastic demand, total revenue remains constant as price changes. We will discuss this in detail in the demand curves topic. Let us discuss the factors that influence the price elasticity of demand. Starting with availability of substitutes. The availability of close substitutes affects the elasticity of demand. Goods with many substitutes tend to have more elastic demand because consumers can easily switch to alternatives if prices change. Necessities tend to have inelastic demand because consumers require them regardless of price changes. Luxury goods, on the other hand, often have more elastic demand as consumers are more sensitive to price changes. Proportion of income spent. Goods that represent a larger proportion of consumers' income tend to have more elastic demand because consumers are more sensitive to changes in the price of these goods. Lastly, time horizon. Demand tends to be more elastic over the long term as consumers have more time to adjust their purchasing behavior and find substitutes. In management, price elasticity of demand is an important study. Understanding price elasticity of demand helps managers make pricing decisions that maximize revenue and profitability. For example, firms facing elastic demand may choose to lower prices to increase total revenue, while firms facing inelastic demand may choose to raise prices without significant loss of sales. Price elasticity of demand also informs decisions about product positioning, pricing strategies, and promotional activities. By analyzing demand elasticity, managers can identify opportunities to attract customers, increase market share, and enhance competitiveness. Let us solidify our understanding of price elasticity of demand using a problem. Suppose a coffee shop currently sells 200 cups of coffee per day at a price of $3 per cup. Due to an increase in operating costs, the coffee shop decides to raise the price of coffee to $4 per cup. After the price increase, the coffee shop observes that the quantity demanded decreases to 150 cups per day. To calculate the price elasticity of demand, we will use the formula. PED equals to the percentage change in quantity demanded divided by the percentage change in price. First, we have to calculate the percentage change in quantity demanded. This can be done by the formula new quantity minus the old quantity, whole divided by the old quantity into 100. Substituting all the values from the problem in the formula, we get the percentage change in quantity demanded as minus 25%. Similarly, calculating the change in price. New price minus the old price, whole divided by the old price into 100. We get the percentage change in price as 33.33%. Now, substituting the derived values in the PED formula, we get the answer as minus 0.75. Since the price elasticity of demand is negative, we'll take the absolute value to consider the magnitude, so PED is equal to 0.75. Given that the price elasticity of demand is less than 1, demand for coffee is inelastic. This means that for every 1% increase in price, the quantity demanded decreases by 0.75%. In other words, consumers are less responsive to price changes, and total revenue moves in the same direction as price changes.